Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths one day before an exam. First, quickly review your syllabus or past papers to pinpoint the most crucial topics and formulas. Don't try to learn new material. Instead, reinforce what you already know. Prioritize understanding the core concepts behind the problems. You have about 24 hours, so divide your time wisely, perhaps dedicating 2 hours to each major unit. This focused approach will maximize your retention and confidence for the exam. Now, let's talk about prioritization and practice. Instead of passively reading notes, actively solve problems. For each important concept, aim to complete at least 3 to 5 example problems. This hands-on approach helps solidify your understanding and identifies any weak spots. Also, take a moment to review any common errors you've made in past assignments or quizzes. Understanding where you typically go wrong can prevent similar mistakes on the actual exam. Active recall is incredibly powerful for last-minute studying. Try solving problems completely on your own before checking the answers. If you get stuck, try to explain the concept aloud to yourself or an imaginary student. This process often clarifies your thoughts. Additionally, spend about 30 minutes creating a very concise cheat sheet with only the most essential formulas and definitions. The act of writing it down helps embed the information in your memory. Finally, remember the importance of rest. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep the night before your exam. A well-rested mind performs significantly better than an exhausted one. On exam day, do a very quick, light review of your self-made cheat sheet, perhaps for 15 minutes. Avoid cramming new information. Arrive at the exam venue a little early, take a few deep breaths, and trust in the preparation you've done. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.